Welcome back. CCP Mayor Surendra Fatorda is hopeful of getting a world-class bus service in Panji city. He has also proposed to have a technical cell for CCP. Mayor informed that the government has approved pay parking system for Panji. CCP has geared up to develop Panji city under JNNURM funds from the Central Sanctioning Monitoring Committee. Mayor said that Santini's Creek will also get a facelift under the funds.
Pay parking file has been cleared by Government of Goa. Now any moment we should, before the code of conduct, we should tender it. So I have asked the Government of Goa to give me a separate technical cell where the chief engineer will head it. There are 3 foreign companies from England who have approached us. I will not have pan-eating, chewing drivers. My driver will be suited and booted. We are going to bring 80 buses, world-class buses which you have in Germany, Italy, Japan, where one driver who will be suited and booted will be driving it. 12-meter buses starting from Panjim, Miramar, Karadale, Taligaon, GMC, Panjim, KTC, Mercedes, Ribandar, Old Goa. This 19.56 crores for the Santini Rala has been cleared.
India will take on Bangladesh in an international friendly football match on Wednesday evening at Nehru Stadium in Fatorda. India are ranked 154th in the world while Bangladesh are 10 places below the host in the FIFA rankings. Coach of India team Wimco Women's believes that talented footballers are arriving on the scene, which is promising for the future of football in the country. The Dutch coach praised the facilities at the premier Goan Stadium.
The Indian football team has been practicing at the Nehru Stadium for the last 3 days. A couple of new faces in the squad, Pune FC goalkeeper Amrinder Singh and Churchill Brothers striker Balwant Singh provide new options for coach Wim Koermans. The Dutch coach is upbeat about the future of football in the country.
Changes that we have in the squad now compared to November. But I'm very happy with the team that we have at the moment. I think it's a very talented group. Bring 2 guys in that are for the first time in the national team, so they have the experience of the training camp and working with the experienced players. So whenever we can, we will give them some time to play if possible. So we're looking forward to this game. I think the stadium and the ground is just wonderful. You know, they did a great job before the Lusophonia games. We renovated the stadium. The ground is of very good condition. So we're very happy that we can play in Goa, and of course we expect a good turn up from the crowd. So hopefully we can see a full stadium like we had in Siliguri, also in Goa. So I'm really looking forward to this game. There will be 2 teams that will go for the attack and try to win the game, and that I think is good for the crowd as well.
India captain Sunil Chhetri revealed that the boys are keen to learn and improve under the guidance of Koermans.
A lot of young ones now, all of them tremendously talented, and everyone wants to listen and learn. And that's always the best thing. You know, we all want to be the same with the gaffer. That's the only way we can go forward when the coach, what he wants and what he thinks is what he understands by the players, and they want to take it further. And that's the kind of team we have right now. All the young ones want to improve. And as far as that's the case, we think we're going in the right direction.
India's international friendly against Bangladesh will kick off at 6 in the evening, and coach Koermans wants the supporters to come in large numbers to pep the home team. Our reporter from Fatorda, Mayur Naik.
Goa Football Development Council will organize its 2nd edition of Goa International Football Table from March 14 to 16 at the Indoor Stadium at Goa University campus. The GIFT will have discussions on talent scouting, community development and brand building as the various aspects of the main theme, football beyond the pitch.
The GIFT 2014 program was launched on Tuesday. The new sports secretary for Goa, Matthew Samuel, was also present. The first 2 days of GIFT will have discussions with a host of foreign guests sharing their knowledge. A technical master plan will also be released. Former footballers and officials will be felicitated. The 3rd and final day will see former Indian football superstars visiting the budding GFDC trainees at various developmental centers. While a lot can be deliberated at the GIFT like last year, it needs instant decision-making ability to implement the policy without delay. It was a shock to know that the football policy released at GIFT 2013 is yet to be implemented because all stakeholders are still not on board.
No, we need the government to officially notify it and become a football policy for the state of Goa, so that all the various organizations, whether it be DSYA, SAG, GFA, GFDC, Director of Education, everybody comes under one umbrella to enforce the whole policy and not everybody going in divergent ways. That's the main reason for coming out with the football policy. So they all work together. Well, that's always a government process of vetting, of financials, of legal advice and all that. So
It must be understood that time lost in implementation of development plan is the time used by other countries to gather momentum in their bid to improve. And in the process, India's endeavor to improve becomes a limp. Sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with video journalist Dinesh Karpe.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.